Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. After that, in this page of App Info, you click on First Stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about LinkedIn, jobs, and business news. And if you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.